Greetings fam, if you're looking at the COOLHOOD 65-inch smartboard 4K UHD touchscreen interactive digital whiteboard and wondering whether it's actually worth it or just another big fancy touchscreen that looks impressive but depends heavily on setup and software, this is a commercial interactive display system designed for classrooms, offices, and business presentations rather than personal entertainment or normal home use. Greetings fam, starting with what it actually is, this isn't just a screen. It's a full all-in-one interactive computing whiteboard system. In real-world use, it replaces a projector, whiteboard, and sometimes even a computer in classrooms or meeting rooms. It runs on an Android-based system with built-in apps, screen sharing, and CMS, content management software, which lets users control presentations, lessons, ads, or training material remotely across multiple devices. The 65-inch 4K UHD display is one of its strongest features. In real usage, 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160, makes text, diagrams, videos, and presentations extremely sharp even from a distance or when zoomed in. This matters a lot in classrooms and conference rooms because clarity directly affects readability and engagement. In practice, it gives a very premium boardroom or smart classroom feel compared to traditional projectors. The touchscreen system is also a key part of the experience. It typically supports multi-touch input, often up to 20 touch points, which means multiple people can write, draw, or interact at the same time. In real use, this makes it useful for group discussions, teaching, brainstorming sessions, and interactive learning environments. The writing experience is generally smooth, but like most IR-based boards, precision and responsiveness depend on calibration and build quality. The internal hardware, often octa-core CPU with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage or similar, is enough to run apps, presentations, video playback, and basic multitasking. In real-world usage, it's not meant to function like a powerful PC. It's optimized for stable media playback and interactive tools rather than heavy computing. The Android system with open app ecosystem is another important feature. In practice, you can install apps, use cloud storage, share screens wirelessly from laptops or phones, and manage content through CMS software. This makes it very useful for schools, training centers, retail stores, and corporate environments where content changes frequently. Now, keeping it real, there are important limitations. First, this is not a consumer TV or entertainment display. It requires setup, mounting, and often some technical configuration. Second, performance depends heavily on software stability and CMS system quality, not just hardware specs. Third, long-term touch usage in public or classroom environments can lead to wear or calibration drift over time. Fourth, while 4K looks impressive, brightness and color accuracy can vary depending on the exact panel quality used by the manufacturer. And finally, installation and maintenance costs can add significantly beyond the purchase price. Also, like most smart boards, the real value doesn't come from the hardware alone, it comes from how well it's integrated into teaching, presentations, or business workflows. Without proper setup and training, many features can end up underused. Overall, after reviewing real specs and usage cases, the COOLHOOD 65-inch smartboard is worth it if your goal is a professional interactive display system for classrooms, training, meetings, or business presentations where collaboration, screen sharing, and interactivity are important. It's not meant for casual home entertainment, but in education and business environments, it delivers a strong modern all-in-one digital whiteboard experience.